In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a record type ID in Salesforce. This process can seem a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. By the end of this session, you'll be able to find any record type ID you need with ease. Let's start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the gear icon. It's typically located at the top right corner of your screen. When you click on it, you'll see an option called Advanced Setup. Go ahead and select this. It's our doorway to all the intricate settings within Salesforce. Now we're in Advanced Setup. You'll notice a search bar labeled Quick Find. It's a really handy feature that helps you locate specific areas quickly. Go ahead and type Object Manager into the Quick Find box. As you type, the list below will start filtering out options. Once you see Object Manager, click on it. The Object Manager is the central hub for accessing and managing the objects you've created in Salesforce. Here you'll see a list of objects. If you're looking for a specific one, for instance account, you'll need to scroll or use the search function to find it. Once you've found your desired object, click to open it. After selecting your object, glance over to the left hand side of the screen. Here you'll see record types. This is where we can dive into the different record types associated with your chosen object. Click on this to reveal all available record types. You'll see a list of various record type labels. These are essentially the names given to the different record types under your chosen object. Find the record type label that you're interested in. When you see it, click directly on the label to open it up. Now here comes the crucial part. Look carefully at the URL in your browser once you've clicked on the record type label. You're not looking for anything special at first, but trust me, the key information is right there. Finally, locate the section of the URL that says ID, followed by a string of characters. The string you're looking at is either 15 or 18 characters long, and this string is your record type ID. This ID is essential for various configurations and integrations you may need in Salesforce, acting as a unique identifier for your record type. And there you have it, you've successfully found the record type ID in Salesforce. Knowing how to do this can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when dealing with large systems or when managing complex data. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and has demystified the process for you. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy Salesforce exploring.